Okay, so we can browse by theme, relax, sleep, or recharge. And then we have recommended for me eardrums, mountain snow, musical pillows, floating ribbons. Let's do mountain snow. Let's do 1 minute. Start. Oh, it's a breathing exercise. Oh, okay. So, let's see. What about the floating ribbons? Oh, this is peaceful. And the spatial audio coming from the headphones on the Vision Pro headset, it makes it feels like it makes it feel like there's a dome of sound around me. That's really cool. Okay, what about recharge? Eardrums. Make sure you have enough space around you. Play with your hands. Tap on the objects. Okay, that's cool. All right. Okay, that was kind of cool, especially the musical pillows. I'm loving it. All right, so this is Lungy for Apple Vision Pro. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments below, and please like and subscribe for future Vision Pro experiences.